If you're looking for your next Motability vehicle, look no further than Gates. We're a family-run business established for over 100 years, so you can be assured you'll be looked after every step of the way. If you receive a higher rate personal independence payment or Disability Living Allowance, you could exchange that for a lease car through the Motability Scheme. What's more, over 50% of customers eligible for the scheme aren't aware they can swap their allowance for a brand new car. Our trained Motability specialists will help you find your next perfect vehicle. With many options and little or no upfront advance payment, you can also take a test drive. The scheme is both affordable and all-inclusive. So what's included? Insurance, servicing, maintenance, breakdown cover and annual road tax, as well as replacement tyres and windscreen repair. Everything you need for a complete peace of mind. Plus, you can have up to 3 named drivers, so if you don't drive yourself, you can still have a car on the scheme. Vehicles can be adapted to improve accessibility, increase storage or enhance comfort. Many adaptations are covered or subsidised by the Motability Scheme. We have accessible parking, designated disabled spaces, automatic doors with wheelchair access, accessible customer toilets, and comfortable customer waiting areas available to use at our dealerships.
If you prefer to talk to us somewhere more quiet, simply let us know and we can accommodate.
Contact your local Gates dealership today and speak to one of our Motability specialists.